This story called umthakathi wasecovid is a story for the kids who wants to act, who wants to make the name in the industry. So we're giving them the platform, and our vision and our mission for this story is not only few kids. We want to give more than 100 kids the opportunities. As much as we're gonna bring more episodes in this story, we're gonna bring more actors, new actors, more particular the kids from 10 years and then 7 years, something like that, and 14 years as well, because it is very important to give these kids an opportunity.
Papa, uzawukhulela phansi komhlaba njengetapile, njengopapa nje. Xelele. My name is Matsiliso Deniswayo. This is my first time acting. My character shows humanity. This woman they called the witch. She's my neighbor.
Yes, okanye atshiswe. Yes. Wo, ndiyayicapukela le nto eyenzayo. Ndifuna ubona umphefumlo wakho uphuma nje kancinci. Ndifuna umbone sifa. Thabele moleleki. In this story, my character is to gossip. I enjoy to gossip. This is my first time to act, and I enjoy. Mfazi ngcolile, here ndamonyenya noma mna kabulawe ngoku, afuna kabulawe straight ngoku.
Yo, yazi ifunakala afe kulo mama sana, hayi sana.
Nakatshiswe ngoku, tshiswe ngabahlali.
In this story, my character is also about gossiping. I enjoy my character because I learned something. And this is my first time acting.